turnover. Jokic, the pump fake, behind his back with a move.
I'll tell you what, that was nice.
And the drip, that is our, look at that, forward drive to the hoop right here. And that's a pretty.
Behind the back, gets ready, whoop, knows he's gonna get fouled. Back.
A 5-point deficit. Desperate times for the Warriors. Bielitsa. Great tip.
So are you saying Marjanovic knew what he was doing there?
No. Okay. Because you don't see a steady diet.
How about that? That was pretty. That was Harlem Globetrotter-esque. I mean, think about this. Anthony Davis is 7 feet tall, and he can't even jump.
Here comes Jokic, handling again. Behind the back. Nikola Jokic to the rim.
Joker behind the back. How did the son of Flubber just dribble the ball down the middle of the...
No wonder Mike Malone loves this young man.
As a second-round pick.
Bielitsa, Timberwolves need some kind of spark. Bielitsa gets him a bucket.
Well, it'd be nice if they could...
To 0 for Minnesota. LeBron on Bielitsa and James. Great defense.
First touch in the post. He's an improved offensive player. Trying to elbow his way in. Jokic blocked it. He got it back, and he missed it. 3 points. Adams going to try it again. And Jokic took it away from him. Jokic had it.
LeBron James digs in defensively. Jokic slow dribbling, hooks it up and in. Jokic slow dribbling, hooks it up and in.
And as players, it's on now. The Cavs must understand.
Bogey's going to have to create. Down to 2. Bogdanovic off balance, and he scored on the shot clock. And it's 108-106.
Again here, just a little dribble drive. Draymond Green thinks he can get to the ball, but the hang time, possession, and position of the ball. Look at this, Bogdanovic, spectacular. Conference games, but a lot of pride on the line with these teams. There's Montrezl Harrell with the baby hook.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
That's some guaranteed money.
Darko goes opposite hand. Quick ball, get a flash! Darko Milicic! Too bad he's not athletic.
His best move, his best finish as a Piston. Mark it right there. Before he dunks this, right now the bench is up because they know what is coming.
Did not do it.
Big thing now is keep working on the other 4 guys and hope that Michael will hit a third. Divac with the block after Pippen had beaten Worth. Really come alive. Yeah, now just watch Divac come over here now and get his third.
Make it 23-17 Pistons. Delfino to Darko for the jam, but a run over called on Delfino.
Oh, he was going sideways and he just fell down.
That was one sweet.
Darko getting the dunk.
There's Delfino making the pass, and I don't know.
Circle cut into the middle. LeBron lays it up for 2.
Stojakovic will put it on the deck. Foul Oster tag for the Plus.
Chick.